So you scramble your eggs, why not scramble your pancakes? It's the newest breakfast sensation, and today our Studio 5 food editor Maddy Tolman and I are giving this trend a try. We're scrambling pancakes?
Yes. So the number one reason you want to scramble your pancakes is it takes all the pressure off of getting the perfect pancake flip.
Aha.
It's like the perfect mom hack. If you mess up the Mickey ears or mess up the shape, you don't have to worry about that perfect round, the perfect like circle. It's just the messier, the better.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Yes.
Basic pancake batter.
Basic pancake batter, take your favorite.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna start with butter.
Okay.
Our hot pans.
Here's me, yes.
You're
this
in.
is also a time saver, right?
Yes.
Because I'm not, again, worried about the shape or
Yes. It cooks so much faster. Like
we're going.
2-3 minutes.
We're cooking.
I'm gonna start with about half a cup of batter.
I'm hot.
You are hot.
In more than one way.
We're grabbing our butter.
If I wasn't pregnant, I think I was going through menopause, but based on the hot flash I'm having right now in front of this pancake pan. Okay.
Okay, grab your wooden spatula here.
Yeah, thanks.
And as soon as it's in the pan, you
Yeah.
want to start like moving it around.
Just go.
Getting it brown. You don't want it to stay a circle.
Okay,
So
no.
mess it up right away.
A circle is not what we want. Perfection, we resist it.
And you want it to kind of, I mean, if it balls up kind of like this, it won't cook as fast. Keep it flat on your pan.
Oh.
So it's like, yeah, a little bit flatter.
Okay.
So it cooks really fast. Like mine are almost done as of right
my
now.
gosh.
Need like one more minute. You know when it's done when the edges start to get golden brown. Okay, these kind of
I'm balling.
also remind me
clumping.
of funnel cakes a little bit. They're
Oh,
crispy.
yeah.
A little bit golden.
Now you're taking us right into state fair season.
Right, let's
with
go.
the funnel. I did
Let's
let it get a
go.
little too clumpy, but I can see where it's wise
Right.
to flatten it
But
out.
the messier the better. The messier
Okay,
the better.
okay.
I've seen people cook them on like Blackstones, griddles. I mean, you can cook them on whatever you got. But
Okay.
hey, mine are like.
I kind of love
almost
too
done.
that my 9-year-old, who is flexing her kitchen independence right now with mad bowls of macaroni and cheese, she's so proud she can do it. With some supervision, don't panic, she could be in on this.
Totally.
What are we calling this? Pancake scramble?
Scrambled pancakes, or the
Okay.
pancake scramble. Okay, mine are done. I'm gonna take them off the heat here, add them to this one. There we go.
That was fun. That was fun. That was satisfying.
So fun.
You get out your morning angst and energy right
Yes.
in your skillet. Okay.
Awesome. Okay,
Hey.
so this one we just added it to here. This is like, I'm calling this the classic scramble. So I've got some butter and syrup on there. I'm gonna top it with some more powdered sugar.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Just classic. I mean,
Yeah.
so many fun toppings.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's move over here and we can do some more.
You've got variations for us because
Lots
the
of them.
pancake scramble is basic, but if you want to go extra, we can play with our flavors,
Yes.
right?
Okay, so the one that I'm most excited about, I'm calling this the Churro Scramble. So,
Okay,
we're
I'm
gonna
in.
get our
You had
melted
me at churro.
butter.
Okay.
We're gonna drizzle it on the top.
Yes, we
Go
are.
crazy with the butter.
Yes, we are.
Follow your heart here. Drizzle it on the top.
Follow your heart.
If your
If
heart
you
leads
remember
to butter.
nothing else from today's show, just know when it comes to butter, follow your heart.
And this is my cinnamon sugar mix.
Oh,
and I'm just
good.
literally gonna dump it on top.
Stop it.
So good.
We have
right?
ourselves a little Disneyland experience
Right?
at 7 a.m.
For breakfast.
Oh, that
right.
smells divine.
Okay, there's our churro.
'Kay.
This one I'm also so pumped about. This is our peaches and protein. I saw this on the internet. I was a little bit scared when I first heard about it.
Okay.
Protein powder. This is peach protein powder.
Directly on the pancake?
Sprinkle it, kind of like powdered sugar, but this is the Clean Simple Eats brand. It's really like sweet, so like automatically, I mean, it tastes like sugary, like.
I didn't know we're doing this.
A little
Using
bit.
protein powder is
Don't
kind
go
of-
crazy on it because
Okay.
if you add a lot, I mean, your kids are gonna be like getting a
They're gonna
mouthful of
choke.
chalk. Yeah.
Okay.
This too. Look at this. Peaches
Oh.
and cream syrup.
Yes.
Can you
Hand
believe?
over our heart for, is it Uncle Bob's, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Uncle
Yeah.
Bob's. We're gonna pour that on top too. You can top it with a little bit of like.
Which, if you're familiar with Uncle Bob's, sorry I cut you
Yeah.
off, sister, but it says on the back you can also put it over ice cream, which I think is great permission for the sweetest breakfast of our lives.
Okay.
I mean, it's that kind of a delectable,
Yum.
yeah.
Yeah, I feel like this flavor would also be really good with just like peaches, like a bowl of peaches, a little bit of cream, you know.
All right.
Bring in the
peach
flavor.
protein pancake scramble.
Yes, peach protein pancake scramble.
Okay.
This one up here, I'm calling the jam scramble. So, I mean, you could go like charcuterie style, like family style. Put your scrambled pancakes on a big sheet pan.
Yeah.
I've sprinkled it with powdered sugar as well, and then just take like a fork, and you're just gonna like
Dip.
dip like,
to dip.
in your like apricot jam, in your
Yes.
whatever kind of preserves you want to
Yes.
use.
Yes.
So yum.
Can I point out one more benefit as my mom brain is processing
Yes,
scrambled
please,
pancakes?
please.
I don't have to cut 4 plates.
Yes,
Of
right,
pancakes.
right.
With a 3-year-old yelling at me from the end of the kitchen bar, right, that she was the last of all the game. Okay,
Hold on,
they're already bite-sized. Sorry.
Okay, this last one is our strawberries and cream pancake.
Yeah.
We're gonna use some cut up strawberries.
I see where this is going, and I
Sprinkle
like
them
it.
on top.
Maddie changing our breakfast lives.
Buttermilk syrup, of course.
Thank you, Uncle Bob.
Thank you, Uncle Bob, again. We love you and your work.
And we love you. Follow your heart. We love you. All sorts of inspirational
And
messaging.
some cream on top.
Oh my gosh, Maddie's so fun. What a fun like party idea too, is like a food bar of some kind to set up this pancake scramble and then let people kind of play with the toppings.
Right.
Thank you for introducing it to us. The internet loves this trend.
Loves it, and we love it too.
We love it
so
too.
yummy.
Scrambled pancakes. I keep wanting to say the pancake scramble.
You can call it the
It's
pancake
fine. I
scramble
like
if you
scrambled pancakes because it immediately conveys what we're doing here, and hopefully this translates to your home kitchen as you get those kiddos with full tummies off to school. Thanks so much, Maddie. Great job.